gonna be another chunky day. Say, head on back down, I won't stay here. There's 100 pounds that I just came down yesterday again. I got to be a Chuck E. Cheese hanging with my friends.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Like a kangaroo. Just make it through all the fun things I just do. I brush my teeth and I get a little shiny. Even soaking in the bath, brothers, where you go find me. Fresh drinks, you know I get props with my yellow C t-shirt and my red bow ties. A balanced breakfast has become a joke. And the next thing you know, I got to go because I was Chuck E. Cheese with my friends. It's just another Chucky day, and you know that it's another Chucky day. And I say, Chuck E. Cheese is with me. It's my favorite place to be. It's just another Chucky day, and you know that it's another Chucky day. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm feeling really good, you can see it in my stride. Style, smile, the people that I meet. And I'm sure there's look both ways, but when I'm crossing the street, step and talk so I don't fall behind. I got days and pizza on my mind. But yeah, you should have fine. Should I see? For the love of God, Henny and my dog just said, what up with you?
They're huge.
And it only gets better the more people that you share it with. We agree. It won't be no trees, come with me to the CQC. And you know we just it's another Chucky day, and you know that it's another Chucky day. And I say, Chuck E. Cheese is with me. It's my favorite place to be. Cause it's another Chucky day, and you know that it's another Chucky day. What's my name? C-H-U-C-K-T-U-D. I say, if you look and see, you will agree. I be the friendly little Miss House in his house. Me and my friends hit the corner, then we hang a left. And then we notice Mr. Munchkin passed by in the shop. They were quick, they look kinda worried, so I said, what's wrong?
Oh, Jack, we're in a hurry. Got to get to Chuck E. Cheese is the fastest way. There's a party going on, because it's somebody's birthday.
Don't worry, don't make a fuss, cause now it's your Chucky Day, so come along with us. Cause it seems that we're all singing the same tune. Gonna get us like a pizza, then we're hanging in the game room. I got all my friends behind me and fine. We're headed to the spot that you can always find. Headed to Chuck E. Cheese's with my friends, where the fun just never ends. Cause it's another Chucky Day, and you know that it's another Chucky Day. And I say, come on, Chuck E. Cheese's with me. It's my favorite place to be. Cause it's another Chucky Day, and you know that it's another Chucky Day.